Welcome back to the Core Tech. Today we're diving into the 2026 Razer Blade 18, a massive leap forward in desktop replacement laptops. In this video, we'll break down what makes the Blade 18 one of the most powerful, refined, and creator-focused machines Razer has ever released. A redefined 18-inch powerhouse. The 2026 Razer Blade 18 takes everything people love about the Blade lineup: premium aluminum build, clean design, and strong performance, and scales it to a new extreme. This generation is thinner, cooler, and significantly more capable, making it a serious contender for gamers, editors, and professionals who need uncompromising power on the go. Despite its large frame, Razer engineered the chassis to feel surprisingly light for its size, with improved durability and precision-milled edges. Next-level performance. Hardware. At the heart of the Blade 18 sits the latest Intel Core i9 15th Gen HX processor, designed for maximum multi-core output. Paired with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 50 series GPUs, the laptop delivers desktop-tier performance in gaming, rendering, simulation, and heavy multitasking. The combination of advanced CPU architecture and AI-accelerated graphics ensures faster workflow performance, smoother 4K editing, and higher frame rates even in demanding 8AA titles. Razer also includes next-gen DDR5X memory and upgraded PCIe 5.0 storage for blazing fast read and write speeds. A stunning 18-inch display. The centerpiece of the Blade 18 is its gorgeous 18-inch mini LED display, offering brighter highlights, deeper blacks, and ultra-fast refresh rates up to 240 Hz. Whether gaming or color grading, the panel's high contrast and 4K clarity deliver a premium visual experience. The display also supports 100% DCI-P 3-color accuracy, making it ideal for professional creators who require precise color consistency. With slimmer bezels and improved screen uniformity, the viewing experience feels more immersive than ever. Advanced cooling for peak performance. To keep all this power under control, Razer redesigned the cooling system with a triple-fan setup, larger vapor chamber, and optimized airflow channels. The system reduces heat buildup while maintaining quieter operation under heavy load. Even during extended gaming or rendering sessions, the Blade 18 stays cooler and more stable, allowing the hardware to sustain higher performance levels without thermal throttling. Connectivity for professionals and gamers. The 2026 Blade 18 includes an impressive range of ports: Thunderbolt 5, USB-C, USB-A, HDMI 2.2, SD express card slot, and a 2.5G Ethernet port. This wide selection ensures compatibility with professional monitors, docking stations, audio gear, and fast external storage devices. Razer also includes Wi-Fi 7 for ultra-low latency online gaming and high-speed network transfers. Audio, keyboard, and user experience. Razer upgraded its 6-speaker audio system with deeper bass and enhanced spatial clarity. The per-key RGB keyboard remains precise and responsive, and the enlarged glass trackpad offers smooth, accurate tracking. A full HD webcam with AI noise cancellation and advanced face tracking makes video calls sharper and more stable. A welcome improvement for remote workers and streamers. Battery and portability. Despite its size, the Blade 18 includes a higher capacity battery optimized for efficiency. While it won't match Ultrabooks in runtime, users can expect improved longevity for productivity tasks. Fast USB-C charging also allows more flexibility compared to older, bulkier power bricks. Final thoughts. The 2026 Razer Blade 18 is built for users who want true desktop performance without being tied to a desk. With its incredible display, upgraded cooling, next-gen hardware, and refined design, this laptop delivers a powerhouse experience for gamers, editors, and professionals alike. If you need a machine that does absolutely everything and does it fast, the Blade 18 stands at the top of the lineup.